Wagayway.
Wagayway.
Very good, Ate Sofia. Wagayway.
Wagayway.
Okay.
Wagayway.
Galing.
Wagayway.
Okay.
Wagayway. 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 Wagayway.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Wagayway. Okay, usod ka dito. Okay, wagayway ay mahirap na salita. Nakita niyo naman may mga na-out now. This time, let's move on to the most easiest word so that we can proceed to our level 4. Our level 3 is the most easiest. So kids, repeat after Kuya Clem. Everybody say E. We. Na. Wa. Gay. Why? Iwi na wagayway. Okay. Diba, dali? Most easiest, okay. Iwi na wagayway. Pukan natin so much, mga bang. Okay na, so ako. Iwi na wagayway. Thank you so much, Baba. Iwi na wagayway. Pukan natin. Pala matitira ang bata dito. Wi na wagayway. Say it loud and clear. Iwi na wagayway. Iwi na wagayway. Thank you so much, Kuya. Sama na ng tingin niya sa akin. Okay, repeat after me. We na wagayway. Iwi na wagayway. Thank you so much. We na wagayway. Iwi na wagayway. Ilulunak din yung mga sinasabi nila. Okay, let's go. We na wagayway. Iwi na wagayway. Thank you so much. Okay, nagkakatitig ko. Okay, what about ate? Bata ako to eh. We na wagayway. Loud and clear, ha? Iwi na wagayway. Thank you so much, Iwi na wagayway. We na wagayway. Iwi na wagayway. Inihaw. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. Okay, ate. We. Kasa mo, ha? Na wagayway. Iwi na wagayway. Thank you so much. Okay, what about kuya natin? Dito muna ako. Hinuhuli kita. Okay. Sige, ate, you can take your seat. Hindi ka dito kayo natin. Come here. Yeah. Make your voice loud and clear. Okay? We na wagayway. Iwi na wagayway. Thank you so much. Walang nanalo. Hindi, ganun po pag nagtitipid yung club. Walang mananalo. Hindi. This that game is just a warm-up game. Binos ko lang po yung mga confident ng ating mga kids so that sa ating mga next game, hindi na po sila